For sale, 2020 International MV607 26-foot box truck with 3,000-pound liftgate, non-CDL. The 2020 International MV607 is a medium-duty box truck built for versatility in regional and local freight operations. It is powered by a Cummins ISB 6.7-liter diesel engine rated at 220 horsepower, paired with an Allison 2200RDS 6-speed automatic transmission for dependable and efficient performance. With a 25,999-pound GVWR and a 272-inch wheelbase, this non-CDL truck is equipped with a 10,000-pound front axle and a 17,500-pound rear axle, supported by air ride suspension for balanced handling and stability. A 70-gallon aluminum fuel tank ensures strong range between refueling stops, spec sheet truck, and van outlet. The truck is fitted with a 26-foot aluminum body by Ahire Manufacturing Service Corporation, featuring a translucent roof for added visibility, plywood paneled interior walls, and 2 rows of E-tracks for flexible cargo management. A roll-up rear door allows efficient access, while the Maxon 3,000-pound aluminum tuckaway liftgate makes loading and unloading heavy freight simple and secure. This one-owner unit reflects 7,013 engine hours, has a clean Carfax, and carries an accident-free history. Fleet maintained and finished in white with a gray interior, it presents in excellent condition and is fully work-ready for logistics fleets, contractors, and delivery services. Available now at Truck and Van Outlet, Miami.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.